Hi boys and girls, this is Mrs. Shoemaker. I'm going to give you a quick short tutorial on how to create your account at typing.com so that we can get started learning to touch type. So if I was at Clever, I'm going to have to open a new tab because typing.com is not on Clever. And just this one time, you're going to go typing, typing.com, and you're going to hit enter. And it will load the website. Okay, I'm going to click student login, and if I were you, I would click on this little star, and what it's going to do is say, do I want to make a bookmark? I already have one, so it's saying edit my bookmark, but you're going to want to make a bookmark. So once you hit the star, it turns blue, you click done, and now you should have a bookmark up here at the top that will make it super easy for you to get to typing.com from now on. Then you're going to click login with Google. It might ask you to choose your name from the list of Google accounts associated with your computer, which would probably just be yours. But you'll see then you get all of these lessons, and these lessons are intended to help you to become a better, faster, more accurate typist. So these lessons I've already done, but when you're getting started, yours will say start. So if I click start, it's going to teach me a new key, and you'll notice here it's going to show me what hand and what finger it wants me to type the V key with. And when I type it, it says you found it. Press enter to begin. And now it's going to give me practice. V, 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 V. Now it's going to practice the other keys that I do with the same finger. F, F, V, V, F, F, V, V. All practice, and it's going to keep track of my words per minute, WPM, and my accuracy, 100% means no mistakes. It's going to give me stars, and then I click continue, and I just keep right on working through my lesson, and now it's going to teach me the H key. So boys and girls, typing.com is always available to you. You're always going to sign in with Google, and if you have that little shortcut there, it's super easy to get to. It's great practice for getting to know your Chromebook, getting to become a faster and more accurate typist, which is going to make your schoolwork easier. To get back to the list, I just use this little arrow. I can get back to my list and see how I'm doing overall. Your little thing here is going to start as a sprout, and it eventually turns into a tree as you become a better typer. There is a beginner level, which is where you're starting. Eventually, there's an intermediate and advanced level. So we have lots of typing practice we can do for all of your time at DIS. There's no requirement that you must do a certain amount of typing.com. It's just one tool that we're going to use to help you get to know your computer and your keyboard and help you to use your technology to make your work easier. All right, I hope that helped. And now you should be able to get started doing some typing.